I'd like to introduce you to the Grngate automatic dust collection system. The starter consists of a system controller, 4 4-inch blast gates, 4 sensors with clips, 4 25-foot gate network cables, and 4 6-foot sensor cables. So let's connect up a system and watch it work. Normally, you would be connecting one of the output ports on the controller to the gate networks with the 25-foot cables. But for ease here, I'm going to use a shorter cable. So we'll just connect it into that port and clip it into one of the network ports on the gate. Normally we'd use the sensor that would be connected onto a machine. But for purposes of this demonstration, we're going to substitute a manual switch for the sensor. The manual switch is an accessory, and we simply plug a cable into it, again a shorter cable than normally what you would use, and plug the other end into the sensor jack on the gate. Now we're ready for a demonstration. The controller is plugged in, and that's indicated that the system has power by the green light on the controller. We're going to turn on the manual switch, and we're going to watch the gate operate. So now, here goes the manual switch. The gate has opened, and the collector now turns on. There was a slight click from the power relay inside the controller. Normally this would be turning on the central dust collector. But for purposes of this demonstration, we do not have one wired. Now after you've completed the task, we'll turn off the machine. The collector will turn off in 10 seconds, allowing debris to clear out from the line, and that'll be immediately followed by the gate closing. End of cycle. Although we used the manual switch for that last demonstration, the sensors attach very simply to the power cord on the machine. The cord is placed into the V-groove in the sensor, and the clip is snapped on. The sensor cable is plugged into the sensor, and that's the end of the installation. That's all there is to it. To help keep the gates clean of any debris buildup, the gates have these ribs with open slats on both sides, here, here, and on the other side of the gate to allow any debris to fall through. On the sides of the gate are also these openings. Now should the gate blade, as it rotates, push any debris through, that debris will be pushed out through this slot as the gate goes in one direction, and through the other slot when the blade goes in the opposite direction. To show what happens should a large chip get jammed into the gate, let's open the gate. Okay, the gate is now open. Now I'm going to close the gate with this very large wood chip in there, and let's see what happens. We're going to wait the 10-second delay again for the debris to clear the line, at which point the collector will shut off, indicated by this. The gate's going to go closed, jam. It's going to try to clear out that jam 3 times And if it fails, it's going to freeze the gate and turn off the collector. At that point, the jam can physically be removed. The gate can be reset by simply removing the power from the gate, plugging it back in, and to remove the power, simply remove the network connector, plug it back in, at which point the gate will automatically close, and the system is now reset, ready for further operation. Thank you.